If you are wondering if you can experience overheating on Xiaomi 17T Pro, whether the phone has heating issues, then the answer seems to be unfortunately yes. And for example, I have performed a benchmark on this phone, and while benchmark usually of course increases the temperature of the device by a lot, you can also see how much the phone can reach and what the temperature can be achieved during the benchmark. Benchmarks are very demanding for smartphones, and usually the temperature is very high, but of course if it's like very high, like too high, then this is the indicator that you might experience heating issues on the phone. In my case, I managed to reach 46.1 degrees Celsius, which is unfortunately a worrying temperature, because it's definitely a little bit too high. And even while holding the phone with my hands after the benchmark, I could definitely feel that the phone was very hot. It was way too hot than it should be, and there is definitely a room for improvement for Xiaomi to optimize the temperature of the device, to optimize all the hardware and stuff like that. So of course there is a chance that in the future there is going to be an update that is going to improve that, but currently, unfortunately, you may experience heating issues. Of course, I'm not saying that you can experience it only while performing a benchmark, but in fact, I'm pretty certain that you can experience it while, for example, playing games, while using the camera a lot, or maybe if you watch videos for a longer time. So even tasks that maybe they are not so demanding, but you will do those things for a longer time, it might turn out that the phone can get a higher temperature, and you might actually notice some heating issues with this model. So unfortunately, this is something that you can expect with Xiaomi 17T Pro. Of course, you might not experience any problems with the temperature while just using the phone on a daily basis, while doing regular things, or using those regular social media apps, for example. But at the same time, who knows, maybe you can actually do experience those issues. Me personally, I didn't experience that, but of course, I can't really promise that this happens only while doing those things that I mentioned so far. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.